Hi there! Today I will show you how to make the best ever and extra moist orange cake, bursting with orange flavor. So you will just need at least 2 oranges for the cake. And I have also thinly sliced half orange, and they were candied and caramelized, and they were used for garnishing. So here you go. I will show you later at the end of this video how to do the candied orange. First ingredient is we have 1 tablespoon of fresh orange zest, half cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and 1 3/4 cup of plain flour, 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup melted butter, 3 medium eggs, 1/2 cup of fresh milk, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup oil. So in a mixing bowl, add the 3 eggs and whisk them first. You can also use an electric hand mixer or KitchenAid mixer, but if you don't have access to those, you can just use a whisker. Okay, and then sugar. Or you can add the rest of the ingredients in no particular order. So this cake is very easy to make because all you need to do is combine all ingredients in the mixing bowl. So we have the orange juice, orange zest, melted butter, vanilla, and then we have the flour, and then your milk. Okay, and then mix them together until well blended. Okay, next is I will prepare my baking dish. So I will lightly grease my baking dish with oil spray, and dust it with a little bit of flour so that my cake won't stick at the bottom and the sides of my Pyrex dish. And this time I have also preheated my oven to 100 degrees Celsius. So place it inside the oven and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And while my cake is baking, I will get some mint from the garden for garnishing. Okay, so there you go. The cake is done, so you can serve it like this or mine. I will garnish mine with icing sugar, candied orange slices, and mint on top. So here's my best ever and extra moist orange cake. It's really yummy and bursting with orange flavor. We combine 1/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Bring to a boil until soft ball stage or thread-like stage. Okay, and then add your orange slices and leave them for a couple of minutes or more.
Yes, baby, I'll give you apple juice. Yes, coming. Where's your bottle? Yes, baby. Okay, I'll give you apple juice.
Okay, when done, place them on top of an aluminum foil and wait for it to harden a bit until ready for garnishing later. There you go. Thank you for watching.